You like them joints on. You smacking on them, boy. Boy, gee. What? Them barbecue?
Mm-hmm. They ain't taste like it.
For real, they nasty?
Yes.
What was that?
That one with that damn dog.
Knock, knock.
Yeah.
It's the pet transport lady.
Whoa, how you doing? I've been trying to call your phone.
I'm sorry.
Whoa,
Hey,
he like he bite.
sometimes this is the dog that was ordered by Co. So
Yeah, that's the dog, Grandma.
we just got here from Philly. So
He don't bite it on, do he? You said
sometimes.
sometime. Hey, I'm saying, Grandma, you gonna let him stay here though, right? I got to go to Georgia.
Wait a minute.
Man, he gonna bring it to you when he come here.
This was a long drive from Philly, so
What do you mean you gonna bring it to me when you come?
When he come for the dog. But he can't be outside. That dog allergic to all that out there.
Hey, well, you better take him with you so you can get him.
And I can't drive to no Georgia like that. Sure, I just drove down here. How long was that ride?
about 18 hours from Philly.
Yeah, them dogs can't be in that car that too long.
But you take him till you get the money. I ain't thinking about it. You got mean he look.
So you're not gonna let the dog stay here?
Yeah, you just said, you were just sitting here talking to me, talking about he can stay up.
When you give me
Oh,
the
look,
money.
you have another dog that he can play with.
Yeah, he can. Yeah. He can go out there. Where the water and food at?
Oh, I have food, water, I have a kennel, I have his papers.
Hey, give him the coat.
Come on, Grandma, you just.
Hey, I ain't keeping no dog without the money.
You finna get paid.
I need to get paid now. I ain't finna keep no dog.
That man coming from Tarbin right now.
Well, you ate on it so I can get my money.
This crazy, boy.
Ain't crazy. Look at it.
So y'all can order transport. Hold on just a second. Anytime Pet Transport. The dog that I have with me right now. Co's dog? Okay. I'll call you back. I'm here right now. I'll tell him. Alright. So they said this dog has rabies.
What?
And so
Get that damn dog out the house.
you guys
Why would you bring the dog? No, get that dog out. Get the dog
I
out.
have to have a shot.
Please
I
get
have
the
to have
dog.
a shot for being
No.
exposed.
Get that damn dog
I'm
out
gonna
of
come
here.
right back with a shot. Hold on.
You don't
No.
bring that
You
here.
gotta hold the dog.
No.
Get that goddamn dog out.
Hey, no. Please,
Get
please.
him out of here.
I got eczema. Please don't know rabies.
Look at the dog, man.
Please, no. Please, no.
Get this
Please.
dog out of the house.
I'm
Please.
getting a shot. I'll be right
No,
back.
you don't bring that bastard back here.
I'm gonna get you a shot.
You
Man,
don't need no
yo,
goddamn
man.
shot. You don't need no shot. Keep him. He ain't bring that dog back. He ain't keeping that damn dog.
Either. Rabies, man.
I ain't keeping that dog.
Me either. I don't want him no more. Damn, my heart hurting, man.
Shit. Oh, Lord.
Don't move. Come on,
I
no.
got to spray my house.
Hold on.
I ain't thinking about that fucking damn dog. Oh, Lord, have mercy.
What is that? What? That's air freshener. That's air freshener.
It do. It do.
It'll do. Man, start spraying that, man.
That dog been in here. Lock that damn dog.
Hold
Damn dog got rabies. Oh, Lord, have I pop. What's she doing?
on.
She bring gloves in her for.
I got pick up.
Everybody has to have a shot. Because
I ain't getting no shot. I don't know what that is.
Ain't that bitch gonna stick me. I'm gonna show you.
you guys have to
Hey,
take a shot
Grandma.
for the dog.
No, you ain't.
The dog has rabies. I think you might have to tint the house too.
Tint the house.
Like put a tent over the
Ain't
house.
nobody put no fucking tin on my damn house. Ain't nobody
Man,
finna
put
stick
that
me.
knife up, man.
She ain't finna stick me with no goddamn.
I gotta get a shot too.
That's your ass. I ain't getting shit.
How
Ain't
Put that-
damn nobody gonna stick me
Put
with.
that knife down,
Now
Grandma.
you shut up. You don't tell me what the fuck to do.
Okay, you stick yourself.
I ain't sticking my goddamn self.
You've
with
been
a damn-
exposed to rabies.
I ain't. I'm going to my own doctor. Let him tell me.
This is his job to verify.
Man,
what
put that
rabies
knife
is on his
down,
dog.
man.
You better leave me the fuck alone.
Bruh, this lady
You gotta
tripping.
get a shot.
You got rabies in this house.
Hey, I will call the people.
Call
I
who?
am the people.
That's her.
Nuh-uh.
Anytime pet transport. Man,
I don't give a fuck.
look.
I am the people.
Well, hey, you go stick your goddamn self. You ain't finna stick me.
I gotta stick myself too.
Well, that's you. Ain't nobody gonna stick me. Now, if I need to go to the doctor, I go to the doctor.
All right,
Ain't
let's go.
nobody.
I'm responsible for you guys.
Yeah,
I'm
we
not
got to
gonna
go.
give you
We
a
got to
shot.
go. Come on. Put the knife down, though, all that swinging the knife.
In the meantime, where do you want me to put the dog? Because I
Man,
can't
hey,
take the
man,
dog back with me.
hey, grandma, don't stick me with that, man. Man, you just see what she just said, that dog?
I don't do it. I call the people out here. I call my goddamn self.
What people are you calling?
Don't worry about what people I'm calling. I call them.
Man,
Where do you
just
want the dog?
Stick
The
her,
kennel.
man.
You
She
want me to
ain't
get
gonna
the
do
dog
that.
food
She
and
just
stuff and
scare
bring it in
you.
here for you? While you wait for the
Let me
decide
tell
for
you
the
something.
shot?
You hard to understand. You
Maybe
hard
so.
to understand. Didn't I tell you the first time I didn't want no damn dog? I didn't order no damn dog. You need to take this dog over to his house. Now,
Man, I
after
stay in Georgia.
take him over to your mama house, anybody, your brother house. Take him to his brother house.
Stop pointing that knife, grandma.
I'm telling you what she need to do with the damn dog. Take him to your
Who
brother.
gonna pay me to deliver it?
Man, you got rabies,
Pay the
so
delivery
we
here.
finna pay for a tick.
I ain't finna pay for shit. I'm finna call the people.
Oh,
Ooh.
it might have had fleas too.
Oh, damn.
Long nail don't bite me. Mm-hmm. I'm finna call.
Grandma, just give me the.
You can give it to
How
her.
you just take this off?
Yep.
Negro, if you speak me,
Grandma,
I will hurt you.
you too old, man, to be living in this house with rabies.
Hey, I don't give a fuck about rabies. I'm gonna call the police and they'll tell me who's
On me?
You the one with a knife?
Yeah.
I'll call
Man,
who
hey.
to call about rabies. They'll tell me.
Call the
Call the
rabies hotline.
police? About what?
They're gonna come and take you.
They're gonna take me a goddamn place.
Grandma, look, it's only a stick and it's gonna go in you quick. You'll be straight.
How you think I'm crazy? A doctor can't stick
Hey,
me.
hold on, Sarah.
I wish Sarah would put her hand on me. I
Hold
would
her?
stick her out.
Stick her out. This girl, this her job, grandma.
Poor lady.
This is her
I
job.
don't give a fuck.
Man, hey.
She better get a doctor here.
Boy, them things biting, boy.
It's the fleas. Next
I
time, verify your breeder code. Anytime pet transport.
You hear? She doing her
I don't
job.
give a fuck what you doing.
You want me to
Nobody
remove the
gonna
lady from the home? Everyone that's been exposed? Okay. Okay. All right. They said everyone that's been exposed to the dog needs to be removed from the home.
I can do that. So I
All
can
right.
call the people.
You going to Georgia with me?
I ain't going no goddamn Georgia.
You gotta get out this house.
I ain't gotta get out of
They
here.
gotta do something to the house.
I have 2 more people live here.
Yeah, man. Hey, Sarah, you gonna hold her or what, man? I want you to do your job, for real.
All right.
Well, I deal with dogs.
I don't
not
give you gonna
humans.
deal with this fucking knife if you put your hand on me. And God knows I ain't
Won't be the
bullshit.
first sharp thing I've touched.
Well, it's gonna be the last when I stick your ass. I mean that.
You gotta get your shot. The shot's not even as sharp as the knife.
Yeah, for real, look what a needle
I
at.
don't give a fuck about that.
Look what a needle at.
My doctor have a problem
So
giving
you
me
rather
a
be
shot.
sick with rabies?
Yes.
You for real?
Until I get to the doctor.
Okay, let's do code shot first.
Well, that's your business. I don't give a fuck about coke. I'm talking about
Man, put that knife
I
down.
ain't putting this knife down. Cause ain't nobody gonna stick me. You heard no goddamn bag. If you do it, hey, good as I love you, your black ass finna get stuck.
Whoa.
Now, act like you
Hey, you better stop.
act like you goddamn crazy.
Man,
Act
man.
like you
You gonna
crazy.
stab your grandson.
Damn right. That you goddamn right. Now you better put that shit down and stick your goddamn self. You better not stick me. I ain't bullshitting with you.
This lady tripping. You really ain't caring about your health right now.
I'm caring about my health.
Where you gonna get the rabies shot from then?
I'm going to the hospital and say I've been exposed to rabies, and they'll test me. Goddamn, ain't nobody else gonna tell me shit.
So in the meantime,
That's her job,
I don't
man.
give a fuck about
Anytime pets transport.
that. She
I
ain't
can't say it like her.
She ain't
Itching.
a bitch bring that little mutt here.
I was
There ain't no
ordered to
mutt.
bring
Don't
the
talk about the
here.
dog.
That's
Don't
a
talk
very
about that
expensive
dog.
I don't give a damn.
He paid $8,500 for that dog.
Not y'all lying. He said he paid $20.
No, I did. I said we're gonna get
The
$5
stud fees
grand
are
from it.
The stud fees are $2,500.
We gonna get $5 grand from it.
Well, I see you when you get back with it.
Hell, man, do your job. Don't worry about it. She ain't gonna. She just
You want to
bluffing.
bet?
My
You
job is
bluffing.
to support pets.
You bluffing.
I want to bet?
You bluffing.
If she stick me, I'll show you. I'm gonna show you how much I'm bluffing. Now let her stick me. Bring this shit on. You want to bet?
Stop, grandma. Get your. Man, we playing, man.
You ain't playing.
Yeah, we is. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do
Shake
it.
my hand.
We
I'll
playing.
put this in my pocket.
Shout out. Shout out. There you go, grandma. If you can
You
read,
gonna cut me?
You damn right. You
you
talking
can
about sticking me?
shout out business out.
What you mean shout her?
Shout out. You can read. Anytime.
Yeah. Anytime pet transport. What the fuck that supposed to mean?
That's her job. We just
That's
supporting
my
it right now.
business.
Hey, all this
he
is
ordered
prank.
a dog, and that's how it worked out.
Hey, man.